Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your profile on the Anton application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on your avatar down below, which is the last option. Now click on settings, which is the first one. As you can see, you can start with editing your avatar, so tap on it and you can edit your head, including your mouth, eyes and so on. You can edit your body, choose a new one or purchase ones by going premium on the application. Then you can also change your legs. Then if you are done with it, press the button quit. If you want to save your changes, press the button yes. By scrolling down, you can see that you can also edit your nickname by tapping on it. Tap on the button OK. And you can also change your username by typing in a new one and then pressing the button change. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye.